when we don't remember Allah, we haven't spent a moment with Allah, but we've spent hours on end at work and doing so and so, whatever else we're doing without remembering Allah. That's what's scary. I think every one of us today, this reminder should make us from those who put back Allah into the equation. Put Him back. Even if it's you're driving, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah, Tabarakallah, La ilaha illallah, Subhanallah, Bihamdi, Subhanallah al-Azim. That's a powerful remembrance of Allah, and that's the topic today. Powerful remembrance of Allah. Say these words, learn their meanings, because they will be more powerful when you know the meaning of what you're saying. People ask me, I'm feeling sad, what should I read? I say, read Surah Al-Duha, but don't read it without reading its meaning as well. You read Surah Al-Duha, وَالضُّحَى وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى. Many of us know exactly what that surah is, but we don't know its meaning.